Let's move on now to some other news as well. On the ground in Delhi, Shiromani Akali Dal is holding a Black Friday protest march to mark 1 year of the farm laws. They have planned a march from Gurudwara Rakabganj Sahib to the Parliament building. All of this is in the central Delhi area, an extremely high-profile zone with a lot of members of Parliament, politicians and bureaucrats who do reside in these areas. Delhi police has not granted them permission for this route to be carrying out the march. However, Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal and former Union Minister Harsimrat Kaur are leading the protest for now. Cops have blocked many routes. This is including the Haryana-Delhi and Punjab-Delhi borders that are facing restriction and have been sealed in some parts. But remember, amid all of this, take a look on your screens. Protests on one side, traffic jams on another. The common man facing the brunt of the protest and the barricading. But it's not just the traffic snarls. One ambulance also got stuck at Shankar Road in the heart of the national capital, Delhi.
कितनी देर हो गई मैम आपको फंसे हुए?
हमें 1 घंटा हो गया।
1 घंटा आपको हो गया?
हाँ जी।
जाम में फंसे हुए?
हाँ।
तो आगे तो पूरा जाम लगा हुआ है मैम।
पता नहीं, ये तो खाली पेट है, इनका तो अभी सीटी स्कैन हुआ है।
तो आपके साथ पेशेंट है आपके साथ में?
हाँ, पेशेंट है ना।
Today is the 17th September, right? In 17th September 2020, central government passed 3 laws. They are against farmers. We do not demand for it. They have been given to us by no choice. So we are protesting today. Shiromani Akali Dal have always taken a firm stand with any class, especially with farmers, because we are from Punjab. Punjab and Haryana brought a green revolution when India got independence. So we are totally depend on farming. So therefore, Shiromani Akali Dal is agitating along with the farmers. You see, within the last 1 year, 600 farmers have died on the border, and Modi government is completely silent.
हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जो हमारे ऊपर काले कानून थोपे गए हैं उनको वापस लिया जाए। जो कृषि कानून थोपे हैं वो सरासर गलत हैं, क्योंकि मोदी फूड ग्रेन पर कानून नहीं बना सकता, वो स्टेट सब्जेक्ट है। ये कानून ही गलत पास किए हैं उसने।
But what does farm leader Rakesh Tikait, who has literally been squatting at that location, he's hit out at Modi government for not repealing the farm laws. Listen in to Rakesh Tikait.
साल भर पूरा हो गया।
हाँ जी।
जिस कानून के खिलाफ आप यहाँ बैठे हुए
जी, 1 साल हो गया पूरा, और बैठे हुए सरकार कह रही कि इसे 18 महीने इसका इंतजार कर लेते हैं, तो वो 12 महीने तो हो गए, 6 महीने और इंतजार कर लेते हैं। सरकार यही तो कह रही कि हम इसको 18 महीने स्थगित कर देंगे, तो हम भी 18 महीने इसका इंतजार कर लेते हैं। पूरा गांव बर्बाद होते दिख रहे हैं। अभी मंडियां बिकने लगी है, उसकी जो खाली जमीन थी।
All right, so that's what the farmer leaders and the protesters are saying. Remember, Punjab elections are just around the corner, and Shiromani Akali Dal, one of the most important political parties as a stakeholder in Punjab politics, is now protesting there in the heart of Delhi. It is clearly a show of strength. They have managed to gather hundreds of protesters with the party, and Shiromani Akali Dal leading this protest. I'm heading